Hi everyone, today I will speak to you about some of the evidentiary requirements required for a partner visa. And for those of you who have not watched this channel before, my name is Valeria and I'm from Migration Mind. So today I will speak to you about the 4 factors that the Department of Home Affairs looks at when assessing whether a relationship is genuine and continuing. And the 4 factors namely are your financial, household, social, and mutual commitment to one another. So I will talk about each of the factors individually now. So in terms of financial evidence, you would need to consider to what extent you have combined your financial affairs. So for example, do you have a joint bank account together that you use on day-to-day basis? Or have you combined any of your assets together? Then in terms of your household aspects of your relationship, you should consider, things like, do you have a joint lease together or a joint mortgage? When talking about social aspects, you would be looking at things like, have other third parties acknowledged our relationship? So, are your friends and family aware of the fact that you are married or in a de facto relationship? Do you have photos together with friends and family? Or do you have joint invitations to social events? Lastly, in terms of your mutual aspects, so the department wants to see your mutual commitment to one another. So have you outlined the terms of your wills? Or, are you listed as joint beneficiaries to your superannuation fund? Or are you married? Or have you registered your relationship? So those are the things that you should be looking at when preparing a partner visa application. It is important to understand that although the department looks at the 4 factors I just talked about, your evidence is not bound to the 4 factors only, and the department can look at your relationship as a whole and the evidence and information provided to determine whether your relationship is genuine and continuing. Now lastly, it's important that you make sure that you have sufficient evidence at the time of application being lodged, and that you have fresh and sufficient evidence at the time of the application being determined and finalized by the department. So I hope this helps you understand what is required for a partner visa application a bit further. But if you have any other questions or any concerns, then feel free to send me an email.